Hello, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on Metamask. This is metamask.io. You're probably thinking, well, why is this important? Well, this is a crypto wallet and a gateway to blockchain apps. If you're a person who likes to have security or likes to have privacy, then this is definitely for you. This is something that I use every single day, so it will definitely benefit you in the long-term future. This is where you're able to buy, store, and send and swap tokens. It is available as a browser extension and as a mobile app. Metamask equips you with a key vault, secure login, token wallet, and a token exchange. Everything you need to manage your digital assets. So instead of keeping all of your cryptocurrency on a open exchange such as Coinbase, Binance, or KuCoin, you can keep them here on your browser extension wallet, so you don't have to worry about any type of public hacks. This means that you have a lot more privacy and you have a lot more security to your own crypto assets. The way that you go about downloading, all you do is you just go right here, you click on download now. They have many different options, so it depends on what type of internet you're using or what type of phone that you have. But if we go down here to the downside, you guys can see that it is available for Chrome, it is available for Firefox, it is available for Brave, it is available for Edge. Not only that, but you can use it for iOS and you can use it for Android. It is very easy to set up. All you have to do is just come right over here and click on Install Metamask for Edge. Obviously, if you're using Chrome, you're using Firefox, Brave, then it will say something different, okay? But once you click on it, you're going to get your next screen, which should look exactly like this. This will provide you all the details that you need, okay? This will provide you all the details and information that you need whenever it comes to MetaMask. Not only that, but also there is a lot of reviews down here to the downside. So if you guys are interested, you're just going to click right on here where it says Get, and it is going to pop up this little notification. It says add MetaMask to Microsoft Edge. It says the extension can read and change all of your data on all websites, display notifications, modify data you copy and paste. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and click on it and add extension. And you guys will see that right over here that it is currently downloading. And this is what is going to pop up as it is downloading on your browser at this current moment. So once MetaMask is fully downloaded, you will get a little icon right up here that looks like a fox. This is the MetaMask icon, okay? Over here, it will be right next to the URL bar, all right? So you'll see the little icon, and once it pops up, as stated, it will be fully downloaded, you click on it. Once you click on it, this screen is going to pop up right here. It says, welcome to MetaMask, connecting you to the Ethereum and decentralized web. We are happy to see you. I do like this little fox animation, follows your mouse everywhere you go. I think that's pretty dope. All right, moving on here. New to MetaMask. So since we are creating a new wallet, we're going to click on yes, let's get set up. This will create a new wallet and a secret recovery phrase. And I'll tell you guys right now that once you create a new wallet, whenever you come back to the website, instead of creating a brand new wallet every single time, you are going to keep your secret recovery phrase and you are going to import your wallet the next time that you do log in, okay? I want to make that very, very clear that you do not have to keep making new wallets and you do not have to keep getting new recovery phrases. You don't want to do that. You want to just keep one wallet and you want to import it every single time that you come back to MetaMask. So let's go ahead and continue to create wallet. It says help us improve for MetaMask. This will help the site overall, especially whenever it comes to information. It says right here that MetaMask will always allow you to opt out of via settings, send anonymized clicked and page review events. Not only that, but they will never collect keys, addresses, transactions, balances, or anything like that. So they're not collecting any of your private information. They're not even collecting your full IP address. So they're not collecting like where you're located at, and they will never sell data for profit ever. Okay. So you have the opportunity to yes, I agree, or no, you do not agree. In this case, we're going to go ahead and click yes, I agree. And we're going to go ahead and create a brand new password. Please make this a password that you will be able to remember. Okay. You do not want to forget this password because as stated, if you end up depositing a lot of crypto into your MetaMask wallet, and if you lose that information, then it is not going to be good. We're going to go ahead and click on yes, I have read and agreed to the terms of use. You're more than welcome to check that out if you'd like to. And then the next page is going to pop up right here. This part is going to talk about how to secure your wallet. As stated, you do not want to lose your secret recovery phrase. This is very important. You do not want to keep this phrase, say, on the computer, on an email. You don't want to save it in a Word document. I would highly recommend, if possible, to physically write it down or type it out and print it out. You do not want this to get in the hands of anybody. No family members, no friends, no hackers, no nothing. If you guys are interested, you are more than welcome to check out this little video right here, especially if you are new. It will provide a lot of different information to help you, okay? Like I stated, this is extremely important, especially if you're putting all of your crypto or a lot of crypto onto the MetaMask wallet. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're actually going to go ahead and just click on next, okay? And then it's going to say right here, secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. And as I was talking about earlier, every single time that you come back to the MetaMask website, okay, you want to import your secret phrase, okay? And once you import it, then you will have access to everything in your current wallet, okay? So here is my current secret phrase. So what I'm actually going to do at the moment, just to get by for this video, is I'm going to go ahead and click copy and paste so I have it. But you want to write this down, okay? You want to write this down. You want to make sure it is actually written down in the correct order, okay? So you can see that it says quit, prepare, swim, quarter, rotate, thunder, lawn, fit, remind, tired, puzzle, idea. You do not want to have any of this mixed up at all. Like, it has to be perfect, okay? It is crucial because if you mess anything up, you will lose access to your crypto. You don't want that to happen. So we're going to go ahead and just click on next, since I do have this saved. And then it's going to ask you to confirm. So every single time that you import your wallet, right? Every single time that you import your wallet, you're going to have to do this each and every time, okay? So in this case, we have the word quit, we have the word prepare, we have the word... Okay, so we have to do this exactly in the same order as the phrase stated. We're going to go ahead and click confirm, and it says, congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe. It is your responsibility. As I stated, you cannot lose this. You cannot give it to anyone. It says right here, never share the phrase with anyone, okay? Be careful of any type of phishing site. So always make sure you are on metamask.io, and always make sure you are using the icon, okay? We're going to go ahead and click on to all done, and then it is going to pull up this information. This is actually your wallet, okay? This is your wallet. There's a lot of different things that you can actually do here. So you can buy Ethereum, you can send Ethereum, and you can swap it for other coins and other tokens. If you only have this account, then that is awesome, but you can also import other accounts. You can even create a new account. Just remember that you have to have those secret key phrases, okay, in order to create accounts or in order to import an account. You can also connect with a hardware wallet. So if you have any type of hardware wallet, you're able to connect it actually with this wallet. If you're looking to deposit Ethereum, let's say that you have Coinbase or Binance, this is easy and simple. You go right up here, it says accounts, right? Account 1. It says copy clipboard. All I'm going to do is click on copy, and it says right there, copied. So whenever, let's say I'm looking to deposit or transfer funds, all I have to do is import this information, okay? This is my wallet address. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Just provide that information and it will handle all the rest. If you're looking to see your information or anything about your wallet, you can actually click on right here. It says view accounts on Etherscan. This will keep track of everything you do, especially with this wallet, even with tokens. Speaking of tokens, if you're looking to import any type of tokens, it says right here, import tokens. This is where you just provide the information that you need to, or if you have any type of custom token, let's say you're part of an ICO or anything like that, and you would like to have those ICO coins or tokens sent to your wallet, you would just go right here and provide the information. All that information will be on Etherscan, okay? So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Like I stated, this is a great way to keep your funds secure and safe. MetaMask will not keep any of your information at all like crypto exchanges. So they don't keep your balance. They don't know your IP address. They don't know all your transfers, anything like that, okay? So MetaMask, everything is private. You have access. It is secure, right? Privacy. You don't have to worry about being hacked as long as you keep those key secure phrases, right? You have to keep those secure. You don't want anybody to have access to those. So anyways, if you guys will, please leave some comments down below if you have any questions. But thank you guys very much for being here. I will see you later. Have a great one and ciao.